Okay, y'all, so these are the lashes that I'm using, which is the Fat Lash. My bad, I said Fat Lash. And so all I'm doing is making myself some fans. I have it on these. I know how to do individuals or whatever. And so I'm really just sitting here making fans. I have sensitive eyes, so if I try to go in with that glue, which this is what eye number 1 is looking like so far. I don't want nothing really long. I just was trying to do, I wanted a cute wispy look. I'm not really sure if I know how to do like the spikes and all that, but I'm gonna try. I don't know if you're supposed to do spikes last, but I'm gonna do the spikes last just to see if I like them. So I'm only using 15s and 16s and 17s. I'm gonna use 18s for the spikes just because, again, you know, I don't know how they're supposed to look. I've seen pictures of people with wispy lashes, but take the rest of my 15s, make fans, which, I mean, I'm pretty, and I have this. I bought this for makeup because I used to dry down the concealer, but I stopped doing that method, so yeah, I think it's broke. Okay, well, I don't have a fan anymore because I think this broke. Okay, so apparently the back to the charger I was using, it wasn't strong, but it's working now, so I'm charging. So that's good, I guess. But yeah, so I'm just about to keep working. I can try to zoom it in for y'all so y'all can see exactly what I'm doing. I'm just lifting my lash and placing. So hold on, I'll show you.
Back to the song the same for Mike Jack. I made you come and you came right back. Calling me on a late night. I got you leaking like a brake pipe. Swimming in your sea just like a diver. And it just creeping like a great white. And I might fuck you in your own car. You ride my face just like a porn star. And it's so deep, just call it broke shot. I just want one thing out of this phone call. Like I'm on the
Y'all, I need to be asleep and I'm up here watching Zoe. Okay, good morning, you guys. It is Thursday, December 22nd, and I got some clients to do. I should be off by like 4 or 5, and then I'm gonna get my hair done later. So I'm probably not gonna vlog me working because it's like a maintenance vlog. So I'm probably not gonna vlog me working, but I'll vlog, you know, everything else, just because I kind of want this video to focus on, you know, we're getting ready for Christmas. So yeah, and then I still gotta figure out what I'm gonna do to my nails. I thought I was pretty close to figuring it out last night, but I think I changed my mind. So I'm going to do all my clients, and then I'm gonna come back when it's time for me to do my nails, which will be hours for me, obviously, but it'll be seconds for y'all because y'all will be seeing me again once I start doing my nails. So I'm just gonna start looking for the set that I want in between my clients, and then once I get done completely, I'll work on mine. I'm going for not super long, so that way I can manage, because I can manage with long nails, don't get me wrong, but I know I got a lot more appointments to do. So I'm gonna probably go for like a medium long or something like that. But yeah, so I will see you guys in a few when I start doing my nails. All right, guys, so my 12 didn't show up. My Red Bull's all gone. So I did my 10 o'clock. But yeah, so I'm about to start my nails. Sorry, y'all hear my humidifier in the back, so I'm gonna have to talk a little bit louder. But yeah, so I'm just about to get my nails together. I have until 2. Okay, so yeah, I'm just about to do my like prep my nails, and I just take a sander band, a fresh one. I just go ahead and prep my nails. So I'm not like ambidextrous or anything. I think I said that right. I'm not ambidextrous, but you know, I can do a little something with my other hand, just a little bit, just a little bit.
Biggest Chanel back in the store if you want it. I gave them the drip, they sucked it up, I got them on it. I bought a new paddock, I had to watch so I two-tone them. Taking these drugs, I'm gonna be up until the morning. If it ain't your car, you just a lease, so you don't own it. If I'm in the club, I got that fire when I'm performing. The back end just came in and out honest. Vibes galore cute, they all on us. I'm from Atlanta where young niggas run shit. I know they hating on me, but I don't read comments. Whenever I tell her to come, she coming. Whenever it's smoke, we ain't running. Look too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around the town. Off this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't.
This hand is done. Boom, boom, boom. Well, not done, but you know, the acrylic, you know, process is done. So I'm gonna do the other hand, and I got literally 10 minutes before my client gets his over. I'm gonna try to get what I can get done and finish it, and we're gonna see, you know, how far I get. Well, y'all. Okay, I'm done with both hands. Yeah. Hey, my client's here. Say hey, girl. Hey. She trying to get me to do some medium nails on her. Mind you, she get long nails. She trying to get me to do some real medium nails on her, and I don't want to do them. I don't like them, but I hope y'all can see it. How you crack the back of your camera?
No, I woke up one morning and just spread.
Yeah, so I don't want to do that, but I'm gonna do it. Okay, y'all, it is 3 o'clock. She got here at 2. I don't know what time I started because I didn't start at 2 because I was still working on my nails, I think. But it is 3:03. 3:03, and I am done. My ring light bead. But yeah, so she just ended up with these. I like it don't want to focus, but I don't know why. Stupid.
Too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around the town. Off this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care why. Long as I get paid, that little vibe. Tripping on my mind. As soon as I get back, shit getting shredded. Do this all the time. This ain't no surprise. Every other night, another movie get mad.
Listen, I've been single for a while now, and I've been kinda lonely, but I'm looking for somebody to talk to, love me, someone who can hold me. Is that you? I'm looking for somebody I can call, looking for the only one that I can.
I did a plaid nail, a junk nail, ombre with some snow, glitter. Yeah, real cute. All right, y'all, so I just got out of the shower, so I'm just going to do a face mask on my face because it's really oily, and I have not done a face mask. So a little bit of skincare. I'm gonna be using this clay. No, it just says Aztec Secret Indian Healing Clay. So I'm going to use this. I'm gonna just use my bowl, scoop some out and put it in here. I don't need a lot because I'm gonna be mixing it with water. And this is really good for your hair. I wouldn't put it in my hair because my friend did it and she said it took her forever to wash it out. And mix it together. See without me with it. So now it's like kind of thick. I don't know, can you see? Now it's kind of thick, so it might need to be mixed a little more than that for it to sit in here, but it's okay. I'm gonna put it on my face.
All my money, all my time, because you're worth it. It's just me and you. What you wanna do, make a move. Coming right for you like a baby. Thinking about you, dreaming about you, got me going crazy. What you wanna do, now it's me and you.
Open this, because this is like a whole bunch that was left.
You can be my Superman, save me here and baby, there's nothing I won't do to spend my life with you.
Okay, y'all, so I washed it off. It does make my face look really, really ashy, but well, it's not red anymore. It was red when I was like scrubbing and trying to get everything off. So I'm just about to rewash my face again with some cold water one more time, and then moisturize a little bit, just enough so my skin isn't dry because it's cold outside. And then I think I'm gonna get ready to go because I gotta stop and get some food before I actually get to my hair appointment because I'm starving. I have not eaten all day, not even before I went to work, but I did drink that Red Bull. So yeah, so I'm just about to get this fixed and I'm gonna head to my hair appointment. Oh, these are my nails. My hands probably look really ashy, but these are the nails. I'll show y'all some more.
I'm in love with you. Whatever you want, baby, I'll do. I know I don't want nobody else but you. There's nothing I will do, baby. Just spend my life with you. I'll give my all to you. I promise that I will never lie. There's nothing
Just giving real cute. So I just got home. Well, I didn't just get home, but I just got, well, actually I did. I came home and I took a shower, and so I'm about to go to my friend's house. We're just gonna drink some wine. Ugh. Yeah, and I'm trying to just spray this so it got some extra hold to it. It went in my mouth. Ew. I'm just trying to spray the bang so it has like extra hold. But something told me that this is not going to last on me. But luckily I can, fix it. Ooh. So I didn't want it super hard or nothing like that, but I need it hard enough that, it stay. Got on my pretty little thing set. It's like a black jacket and a sweatpants, and it say pretty little thing on it. But yeah, I'm about to go to my friend's house and just drink some wine and chill with her. And that's pretty much it. That's pretty much it for my maintenance vlog. I did my nails, I did my lashes, I got my hair done, my toes are done, everything right. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed, me pampering myself and getting pampered. But yeah, that was it for my maintenance vlog, and I will see you guys in my next video.